Leftovers can be kept in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. This means you have until this Monday to eat all those delicious Thanksgiving leftovers or place them in the freezer to enjoy later. If you store leftovers in the freezer, they will be of best quality within 2 to 6 months. The Riverwalk State Service Center is holding a winter coat drive beginning December 1, 2025. Help local families by donating new or lightly used coats in any size. Collections will continue until the last coat is gone. The Riverwalk State Service Center is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. It is located at 253 Northeast Front Street in Milford. Fatigue, increased thirst, and blurry vision. Many Delaware women experience these symptoms every day but don't realize they may be early signs of diabetes. This Diabetes Awareness Month, listen to your body and schedule your wellness check. Your health provider or a Delaware Public Health clinic can help you get screened and understand your risk. Diabetes also increases your risk of gum disease and tooth loss. Women with diabetes are more likely to experience oral infections, but prevention is simple. Control your blood sugar, brush and floss daily, and visit your dentist regularly. A healthy mouth supports a healthy body, and your smile is worth protecting. Sensor lights help prevent falls. Make sure yours are installed and work properly to prevent falls. Visit de.gov/fallsprevention to learn more ways to protect yourself. State offices, including all DPH offices, will remain closed today, Friday, November 28, 2025. We hope you had a safe, happy and healthy Thanksgiving. Offices will reopen at 8 a.m. on Monday, December 1st.
World AIDS Day is December 1st. There will be free HIV testing at the James Williams State Service Center and Riverwalk State Service Center from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on December 1st. There will be giveaways while supplies last. The James Williams State Service Center is located at 805 River Road in Dover. The Riverwalk State Service Center is located at 253 Northeast Front Street in Milford. The Delaware Division of Public Health's Bureau of Cancer Prevention and Control is seeking a full-time contractor to serve as program coordinator for the Comprehensive Cancer Control Program. This role is essential in supporting statewide cancer control efforts through program planning, data analysis, community outreach, coalition building, and evaluation. Qualifications include degree in public health, master's preferred, bachelor's with additional experience considered, experience in program planning, evaluation, and coalition building. Strong writing, communication, and presentation skills. Knowledge of cancer prevention and chronic disease management. Residency in Delaware with a valid driver's license and reliable transportation. Apply by December 1, 2025. Send cover letter and resume to the email address in the video description.